Hi everybody, welcome to class today. I'm going to go through our black workout. It is going to be due tonight at midnight on Wednesday. So hopefully you guys have gotten everything turned in. If you haven't, make sure you check and see if you have any missing assignments. I try to stay really up to date with that so you guys can get them all turned in. That would be awesome. All right, so remember 2 points off if they're late, 4 points off after 2 weeks, 2 points off after 1 week. All right. Happy Thursday or Friday, all right, for whatever day you are doing this. Oh, my bad. So there's my video here, obviously task 1. Task 2, you're going to do the workout today, and task 3, you're going to complete the exit ticket, which is a PDF, and you'll turn that into Schoology. All right, so watch my video. Okay, today's workout is going to be a YouTube video. All right, it's a 30-minute full body, high intensity interval training workout. So that's what HIIT stands for. So you're just going to follow along to these instructors, do the workout. Once you're done with the workout, you're going to complete the exit ticket by midnight tonight. So if you have questions, let me know.